6, Service A.
Tässä on tuossa Myyrin runko.
Oh yeah, we can see now.
In 1974, it's 31738.
Such a high building for just only one elevator per staircase.
Yeah.
It's quite a job for an elevator technician.
Yeah. And all of these have been modernized because they are busy, and so.
One or two rides?
2.
Okay.
6 per, so 480 kilograms. Inspected by Sapient, maintained by Schiller.
Oh yeah, HSAB.
Yeah.
From Sweden?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's quite rare in Finland, but it's common with elevators maintained by Schiller. But also with some elevators maintained by Kone, I have seen it.
Yeah, it's gonna be inspected in 21 next year.
Yeah.
That's cool.
That's